guys, I'm Paul Callaghan from Paul Callaghan here, and today I'm going to be demoing some crazy colour pastel sprays. It's really fun, festival looks, and I'm going to be using an airbrush machine to airbrush them onto the hair. It's going to be really fun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate the ends with the spray. It's like if you fully saturate the section, the more colour you're going to get. If you just softly spray it on, it's just going to be more of like a kind of blush. And once you apply the colour, you have to blow dry it in. I'm just going to softly feather this up to the roots, just to create a more kind of balayage ombre feel. The beauty of these products is it sprays in and washes straight back out again, so it's perfect for a weekend or a festival look. Next we'll do the marshmallow. I'm going to work in like 1.5 inch sections at a time, just to build up this ombre. See how we created these nice highlighted pieces throughout the head? The next colour we're going to apply is Peachy Coral. These smell amazing, guys. So again, I'm just going to lightly airbrush in these kind of deep V's. If you don't have an airbrush, you can use your fingers or a brush. That would work too. For the last section, I'm going to be using the lavender, and again I'm just going to create some nice soft highlights coming straight from the root, just to really keep up this kind of balayage, natural but still fun feel. And if you are doing multiple colours, what I like to do is kind of section it off and use some paper towel, because I can see exactly how much product that I'm putting on there. It's like if you fully saturate the section, the more colour you're going to get. If you just softly spray it on, it's just going to be more of like a kind of blush. So once these are blow dried in, you can go ahead as normal and style your hair with tongs or straighteners, and it will take the heat. I'm going to create a super beachy look using a really small barrel tong, which is perfect for a weekend away. Another amazing thing about the product is it still feels like hair. Sometimes with spray-ons it feels chalky, there's some grit, you can't really get a barrel tong around it. This just feels like you're styling hair. If you're going to a festival, the best thing to do to ensure texture and body through the whole weekend is to have it curled with a small barrel, because you can keep it topped up with dry shampoo in between. When I am colouring our hair, as you can see, I am leaving the ends out for a kind of straighter appearance. It just creates a super modern Californian beachy look. And if you have finer hair, a tip is to backcomb slightly into it a little bit, just to create a bit more texture and body. So this is it, this is our beachy festival look, using the new pastel sprays by Crazy Colour. I'm going to show you how to transform this into another look in just a minute. So a trend that you would have seen all over Instagram in the past year has been space buns. So today we're going to use the Crazy Colour sprays in lavender. We're going to hit it with a shadow root, but we're going to put the buns in first. Super simple, really effective. Okay, so through the top and through the back we've done a zigzag pattern just to give it a bit more of an edge. I think the beauty of this look is it doesn't have to look too perfect. And then I'm going to use some of the lavender spray in just to hit those roots to create a wee bit of dimension. Okay, so once you've sprayed in your new shadow root and you've dried it in and give it a wee comb through, you're ready to rock. Okay guys, we're just going to finish off this look with some super easy twisted braiding styles using bands and nothing else. We take 2 sections either side and wrap it down, crisscross it over, pop in a band, make sure it's in there quite tight. I'm going to loosen it up and flip it round. About 3 times is good. I'm just going to loosen it off to create some texture. We're just going to repeat the process until all the hair's done. And the sections don't have to be perfect, to be honest. It can be really messy because it is more of a textured style anyway. So to make it bigger, you just continue to manipulate it, pull it apart. It's not going to go anywhere because we have bands at every single level. So this could be day 3 of your festival look, your whole weekend.